Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of High One. This is our 12th session. God willing, in this session, we'll be covering the text on page 42 and the grammar box 3 on page 22. Okay, let's get started. Uh, on page 42, there's a text about stress. Look at the text and take a listen, please. So, page 42. Science says stress is contagious. Here is how to avoid catching it. So according to science, stress is contagious, and today we're gonna learn how to just control it. Okay. Uh, Humans have a sophisticated ability to pick up on stress cues from others. Your boss thunders down the office hallway in a foul mood, and suddenly you find yourself on edge too. Or maybe, after speaking tersely to your partner at the dinner table, you notice your kids using the same tone with each other. Coincidence? Nope. Stress, that umbrella term for negative emotions like worry, anxiety, and frustration, is contagious. Much like a common cold, you can catch it from other people. And just like a virus, it can leave you feeling emotionally wiped out. So, science says stress is contagious. Everyone, contagious is an adjective. It means when we say something is contagious, it means it can be passed from one person to another, or it can be spread. So, when you see someone stressed out, since it is contagious, you feel stressed out too. So, contagious is an adjective. Here is how to avoid catching it. Here we've got some pointers, some tips on how to avoid catching stress, on how to avoid feeling stress. Humans have a sophisticated ability to pick up on stress cues from others. People have we have a clever and complicated ability to pick up on stress cues. Stress cues, everyone, means stress signals, signs. Uh, to pick up on means to notice and react. So when we pick up on something, we notice it and we react to it. So we have this ability to notice and react to stress. Your boss, your boss thunders down the office hallway in a foul mood, and suddenly you find yourself on edge too. So your manager, your employer, thunders down. Thunder down, everyone, is a verb which means to shout, to complain angrily and loudly. So your manager starts just shouting, complaining angrily down the office hallway, the corridor, In a foul mood. Foul, everyone, means very bad, unpleasant mood. So your boss is not in the mood. Maybe he has gotten up on the wrong side of the bed and he just starts shouting angrily. And suddenly, all of a sudden, you find yourself on edge too. On edge means nervous, agitated, anxious, worried. So you find yourself on edge too. You become agitated, you become stressed out, nervous too. Or maybe after speaking tersely to your partner at the dinner table, so maybe, perhaps, probably, after speaking tersely. Everyone, terse as an adjective means using few words and often not seeming polite and friendly. So when you speak tersely, you give short answers because you are not interested, you don't want to talk. For example, you ask me, how are you? I answer, fine. Did you like the movie? I answered, yes. Uh, for example, would you like to go out tonight? Maybe. You see, I answered tersely. I answered in an unfriendly way. I gave short answers because I wasn't interested or I wasn't in the mood. So after speaking tersely to your partner, to your spouse, your husband or wife, at the dinner table while having dinner, you notice your kids using the same tone with each other. You see your children using the same tone with each other. They do the same. They do likewise, everyone. Yeah? They do likewise. They say monkey see, monkey do. So when you speak tersely or angrily to your partner while having dinner and with your kids, of course, the children exactly do the same thing. They copy. Well, coincidence? Nope. Is it is it a coincidence? Does it happen by chance? Remember coincidence we studied earlier? Nope. Well, nope is an informal way to say no, not. Of course not. So it is not coincidence, everyone. There is a good reason. Stress, that umbrella term for negative emotions like worry, anxiety, and frustration, is contagious. So, stress, that umbrella term. Well, everyone, an umbrella term or an umbrella word, title, phrase means a word whose meaning includes meaning different types of a particular thing. So, here, stress is a general word, is an umbrella term for worry, anxiety, and frustration. Yes. For example, take the umbrella term of education. So, education can be an umbrella term for schools, universities, I don't know, studying, uh, teachers, students, exams. So, stress is an umbrella term for negative emotions, negative feelings, like, such as worry, anxiety. Anxiety is the noun form of anxious. Anxious. Anxious means nervous, worried. And frustration, frustration, disappointment, feeling hopeless, desperate, is contagious. So, everyone, stress is contagious. Much like a common cold, you can catch it from other people. So, like a common cold, everyday or usual cold, you can catch stress from others. So, whenever you see someone feeling stressed out, since it is contagious, you just start feeling stressed too. All right. And just like a virus, it can leave you emotionally wiped out. So, like a virus, stress can leave you feeling emotionally wiped out. Wiped out, everyone, means exhausted, fatigued, dead, extremely tired, without energy. So, stress can leave you feeling emotionally. Emotionally means in a way that relates to your emotions. Well, how to keep from catching stress? Here, we've got some tips, some advice, some pointers on how to stay away, keep from catching stress. Check out the tips, please. Number one, block out the negative. Find something that makes you laugh before you enter a situation you predict will be stressful. Number two, get some fresh air. Number three, talk someone, talk to someone you trust. Number four, set clear boundaries by separating yourself physically from the stressed out person. Number five, take a mental step back. Don't pressure yourself to fix something that's outside of your control. Number six, remember to breathe with longer inhalations. Inhalation, the noun form of inhale should be inhalation, everyone, and exhalations. So, inhalation, inhale and exhale. So, we have, everyone, inhalation and exhalation. So, with longer inhalations or inhalation and exhalation or exhalations. Number seven, build up your emotional immune system by relaxing and recharging routinely. 8. Look ahead and start planning. 9. Work up a sweat. And 10. Put pen to paper. All right. So, number one, block out the negative. Everyone, block out means to stop yourself thinking about something or remembering it. So, block out the negative. Stop being negative. Stop thinking about negative things. Try to be positive. Yeah. Try to be optimistic, not pessimistic. Think positively. Find something that makes you laugh before you enter a situation you predict will be stressful. So, for example, you're going to take an exam. Uh, So our situation here is an exam, and you predict, you foretell, you think that it is going to be stressful. So this is a stressful situation. So find something that makes you laugh before taking the exam. Think positively, try to be optimistic, just block out the negative. So before you enter a stressful situation, try to think positively, try to cheer up, and that will do the trick. Number two, get some fresh air. Fresh air. Well, fresh air is clean and cool. For example, open the windows, just go out and take a walk in the park, in the neighborhood, get some fresh air. Number three, talk to someone you trust, you know, someone you rely on, someone reliable. It can be your parents, it can be your better half, I mean your spouse, your husband or wife, it can be your close friend, it can be, I don't know, your lover, uh, someone you find reliable. Yeah, just open your heart, let it off your chest. Yeah. So talk to someone you trust, someone reliable. Number four, set clear boundaries. Set clear boundaries, some limits by separating yourself physically from the stressed out person. Everyone, in short, keep or stay away from the negative people. So set clear boundaries by separating, by staying away from the stressed out person. Remember, since stress is contagious, stay away from those stressed out people. Okay? Number five, take a mental step back. Take a mental step back. Move away. Don't pressure yourself to fix something that's outside of your control. So don't pressure yourself. Don't force yourself. Remember, we can't change, we can't fix everything. So sometimes we need just to ignore the problems, and we're not supposed to find solutions to every single problem. Sometimes just take it easy, forget about it, stay away, move away from the problem, and that is the only solution. Just give it a try. Number six, remember to breathe, breathe. This is a verb, everyone. We have an E at the end, and breathe is a verb, and breath, breath without an E at the end is the noun form. So remember to breathe with longer inhalation. Yeah, longer inhalation. When you take the air in, and exhalation. So inhale, exhale. So inhale, you take the air in, and when you exhale, you just let the air out. So inhalation and exhalation. So again, you can just give it a try. Breathe with longer inhalation and exhalation. Number seven, build up your emotional immune system by relaxing and recharging routinely. Routinely, everyone, means regularly. Regularly. Recharge or recharge your batteries. Yes. So, everyone, when you recharge or when you recharge your batteries, You get back your strength, you get back your energy by relaxing. So, after school, after work, after a hard day, take a short nap. Just put your feet up to recharge your batteries, to get your energy back, to refresh yourself. So, build up means create or develop your emotional immune system. Remember, immune system means the system by which our body protects itself against diseases. So, we can build up our emotional immune system. How? By relaxing, by taking it easy, and recharging routinely, by regaining our energy back. Number 8, look ahead and start planning. When you look ahead, everyone, you are forward looking. You are far-sighted. Okay, just think about the future. Think how great your future is going to be, and of course, start planning. Remember, tomorrow is beautiful, God willing. Number 9, work up a sweat. Work up a sweat. Everyone, work up a sweat means do physical exercise, do vigorous exercise, do hard work that makes you sweat. So, in short, it means do something physical. Play some sports, I don't know, go jogging, go mountain climbing, go hiking, play something, play soccer, hang out with friends. And last but not least, put or set pen or pencil to paper. Well, guys, when we put or set pen or pencil to paper, we start to write. Yeah, we write something. Sometimes it really works when you just verbalize your feelings, you just jot them down, you write your feelings. You know, it can help you blow off steam, get rid of anxiety and stress. You can just again give it a try. It is really worth it. All right, now thank you so much, everyone. Back to page, let me see, yes, 22, page 22. Yeah, here we are. Grammar box 3. So, page 22, our last grammar box. Oops, sorry. Just a sec. Yeah, here we are. So, grammar box 3, everyone. Grammar box 3. Yeah, here. Okay, subject verb agreement. Subject verb agreement. Remember, by subject verb agreement, we mean whether our verb should be singular or plural. Okay, before we start discussing the text, I'd like to share something with you. Okay, everyone, let's have a quick review of count and uncount nouns. Okay, check out these examples, everyone. The United States is big. Well, the United States. You see, we say the United States, It ends in S, but the verb is singular, is big. Remember, the United States is considered singular. The Philippines, you see the country, consists of more than 7,000 islands. So you see consists, our verb is singular. The United Nations or the UN has its headquarters in New York City. You see has, don't say have. Or Harold's, name of a store. Harold's is a department store. Alright, so everyone, some proper nouns end in S, like United States, like the Philippines, like the UN or the United Nations, like Harold's, but they are considered singular, therefore we use a singular verb. Is, consists, has, or is. Next one, the news is interesting. Well, guys, news is considered uncountable in English. News is. Don't say are, please. Next one, mathematics is easy for her. Physics is easy for her too. Well, mathematics and physics are fields of study, everyone. Mathematics, physics, I don't know, statistics, yeah. These are again considered singular. Okay. Next one, diabetes is an illness. Well, everyone, diabetes ends in S, but remember, because it is an illness, it is considered singular, which means we need a singular verb. So diabetes is, don't use are. Or here, 8 hours of sleep. Okay, we have an expression of time. So we say 8 hours of sleep is enough. Or $10 is too much to pay. $10, everyone, is an expression of money. So, for example, $1 billion is a lot of money. Or 5,000 miles, everyone, 5,000 miles is an expression of distance. And because it is an expression of distance, we need a singular verb. Or we have arithmetic expressions. We say 2 and 2 is 4, or 2 and 2 equals 4, or 5 times 5 is 25. You see, the verbs are all singular. Here, we have the nouns people, police, cattle, and fish. So, people, police, cattle, and fish. These nouns, everyone, are plural nouns in English, which means they require plural verbs. Check out the examples. These people are from Canada. So people are, our verb is plural, are. The police have been called. Police is plural, have been. Don't add S to the end of police. It doesn't exist in English, everyone. We say a police officer, a policeman, a policewoman, or police officers, policemen, policewomen, but the police without S at the ending. And it is considered plural, by the way. Cattle, group of cows. So cattle are domestic animals, or fish live underwater, fish, a plural noun. Well, next part, English is spoken in many countries. English is a language here and it is considered singular. Or Chinese is his native language, is his mother tongue. Again, because Chinese is a language, it is considered singular. But everyone, when we say the English drink tea, it means people of England, people from China, people from England, the people of England. Or the Chinese have an interesting history. Remember on page 4, how do you know when someone is lying? We had the Chinese used rice. So the Chinese, guys, means the people of China, the Chinese. So they, people of China, have an interesting history. Our verb is plural. We can say the Spanish, the Chinese, the Japanese, the Vietnamese, the Portuguese, the French. The French are romantic people. Well, with some adjectives, for example, we have the poor or the rich. Everyone, the poor means all the poor people. All the poor people. The poor, they. So the poor have many problems. You see, our verb have is plural. Or the rich get richer. The rich get richer. The rich means all the rich people. Again, we need a plural noun here. Some other examples, the young, which means all the young people, the elderly or the old, the living, all the living things, the dead, people who are dead, the blind, all the people who can't see, the deaf, all the people who can't hear, the disabled, all the people who have some physical problems. Guys, these are all plural nouns. That the blind are having some serious problems. The blind are having. Okay, and another part. Yes, here. Okay, it is about uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns. Just check out these examples, everyone. I bought some chairs, tables, and desks. In other words, I bought some furniture. Well, chairs, tables, desks are countable nouns, but the noun furniture is uncountable. Furniture is uncountable. Or I put some sugar in my coffee. Sugar and coffee are uncountable. I wish you luck. Luck is uncountable. Yeah. Or sunshine is warm and cheerful. Yes. Sunshine is warm and cheerful. Well, everyone, by the way, when we say a noun is uncountable, we mean that, number one, it has no plural form. So, homework is an uncountable noun. It has no plural form. We can't add s to the end of it. Okay? Number two, we can't use a or an with it. Okay? Money, or we say some money, a little money or little money. Don't say a. Or news. News is uncountable. We say some news, a piece of news, a little news. Okay? Don't say a. Or we can't use numbers with them. Yes? We can't say 1, 2, 3. We say some news or a piece of news. Don't say 1 or 2. Or homework. I have some homework. Again, we can't say 1, 2, 3. And the verb, everyone, we use singular verbs with them. Yes? Okay. As you can see here, look, we say, this is my homework. This is my homework. We don't say are. Why? Because homework is uncountable. And because it is uncountable, we can't add plural s to it. So homework without s. We can't use numbers 1, 2, 3, no. Or my homework is finished. The verb should be singular. Well, everyone, here I've got a list of uncountable nouns for you. Let me just read out the list quickly. So the first list is a list of whole groups made up of similar items: baggage, clothing, equipment, food, fruit, furniture, garbage, hardware, jewelry, junk, luggage, machinery, mail, makeup, merchandise, money, cash, change, postage, scenery, stuff, traffic, etc. Next one, water, coffee, tea, milk, oil, soup, gasoline, blood, etc. Next we have solids: ice, bread, butter, cheese, meat, gold, iron, silver, gas, paper, wood, cotton, wool. Next we have gases: steam, air, oxygen, nitrogen, smoke, smog, pollution, etc. We have particles: rice, chalk, corn, dirt, dust, flour, grass, hair, pepper, salt, sand, sugar, wheat, etc. Abstractions: beauty, confidence, courage, education, enjoyment, fun, happiness, health, honesty, hospitality, importance, intelligence, justice, knowledge, laughter, luck, music, patience, peace, pride, progress, recreation, significance, sleep, truth, violence, wealth, etc. Advice, information, news, evidence, proof, etc. Time, space, energy, etc. Homework, work, etc. Grammar, slang, vocabulary, etc. Languages: Arabic, Chinese, English, Spanish, etc. Fields of study: chemistry, engineering, history, literature, mathematics, psychology, etc. Recreation: sports, baseball, soccer, tennis, chess, bridge, poker, etc. Activities: driving, studying, swimming, traveling, walking, and other gerunds, ing forms. And natural phenomena: weather, dew, fog, hail, heat, humidity, lightning, rain, sleet, snow, thunder, wind, darkness, light, sunshine, electricity, fire, gravity, and etc. Okay, so it was a kind of a complete just list. You can rewatch the video, just use them in your sentences to just master them. So, back to our book. Uh, Grammar box 3, subject verb agreement. Some nouns such as belongings, goods, earnings, savings, police, and people are usually plural and take a plural verb. Well, even belongings means possessions, things you have, belongings. Goods, you know the meaning: earnings, savings, things you earn and you save. Police and people, they are plural and they take a plural verb. Examples: the company's earnings have increased, have gone up. So you see the verb have, it is plural. Why? Because earnings is a plural noun. Police believe that Thomas is in Brazil. Police, everyone, is a plural noun and we need a plural verb here: believe. So police believe, don't say believes. Uh, some nouns always end in S, but take a singular verb. For example, news. News is uncountable. Economics, we have an S at the end, but it is singular, it is uncountable. Physics, by the way, don't say physic, it doesn't exist in English. This is a common mistake, unfortunately, among our beloved students. Physics, physics, gymnastics, yes, mathematics, mathematics, politics, diabetes, diabetes, or gymnastics. You see everyone, although these nouns end in S, they are considered singular, uncountable. So, politics is popular at this university, is politics, it. Statistics was always my worst subject. In statistics, we study numbers, charts, so was. Or economics, the science of studying economy. Economics has been recognized as a scientific study, has. Micro practice. Make any necessary corrections to the sentences. Number one, people, the house is haunted. Remember, people is a plural noun. It means, everyone, our verb should be plural. So people say, the house is haunted. By the way, when we say a place is haunted, it means ghosts often appear there. It is visited by ghosts. Number two, measles killed a large number of kids. Measles, everyone, is a kind of illness. Remember, diabetes, measles. Well, although it has S at the end, it is considered singular. So we say measles has killed a large number of kids. A lot of kids. Measles has killed. Number three, congratulations to Richard for his great results. So, everyone, congratulations is considered a plural noun. So, we say, congratulations go to Richard. Go to Richard, not goes, because congratulations is a plural noun. For his great results, for example, exam results or university entrance exam results. Number four, electronics, my favorite subject. Well, electronics again is considered singular. It is uncountable. So electronics is my favorite subject. I love electronics, so electronics is. And goods, remember people, goods. Well, this is a plural noun, so goods are sold in local stores. Goods are sold. Well, thank you so much, everyone. This is the end of another episode of High One. Hope you just enjoyed our today's program. Well, next session, God willing, will be covering page 23. Well, until next session, have a good one. Bye.